So in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the USB and XLR dynamic microphone. This is the D30. It has RGB, plug and play, clear sound, and easy setup. This was sent out for review, but these are my own opinions. I'll give it a little test. We'll see how it sounds. And then you can make a decision on your own if you think this is something you would like to pick up. So it comes nicely packaged here. We get a user manual. We get some cables here. So we got USB-C to USB-A. And I think this is a dual cable, so you could either use USB-C or USB-A to plug to your computer. We get this base stand here. Then we get the actual microphone itself. Just for comparison, this is a Shure SM7B. So you can kind of see it has a similar theme to that microphone. It's very light compared to that microphone. On the back here, you have an XLR input, you have a USB-C input, and a headphone jack. On the front here, you have some controls and you have a mute button. So we'll plug this in and we'll see how it sounds. This is also removable. So if you have some kind of like custom color you want to use from another thing, you could also do that. Like this. These are not included though. So you could connect the stand, it just screws on. You could also use this like on a boom arm. So if you wanted to hang the microphone like this, like hanging like this with the boom arm, so you could have it on the table, you could do that as well. It's got a nice padding on the bottom to kind of keep it there. But this would be perfect like a little desk microphone. So we'll connect it and we'll see what happens. So all I did is connect that USB-C there. And then on this end, I'm going to plug this into my MacBook, which is over here. Now you can see this lights up here. I'll try to turn this light a little bit so you can see. Now on the screen, it'll say you want to connect. I'll hit allow. Now if you press this, it'll toggle between the colors. So what I'll do is I'll plug in the headphones. My headphones, I'm going to plug into the back of here. If I hold that down, it'll turn the light off if you don't want the light on. So if I select that one time, just touch it, it'll mute it. If I long press it, when it turns green, this is the mic position, so I can adjust that volume there. If I hold it down a little bit longer, it turns blue. Now we're on the headphones. So I could turn that volume up and down. So let's see what it sounds like. We'll just run it through maybe Logic. First, we'll go in here and we'll set this up. Audio. We'll make sure we have the D30 selected. Close that window there. We'll make sure record's enabled. So right now I'll switch to this and I'll turn up that volume a little bit. Check 1 2, this is the D30 microphone. Check 1 2, this is the D30 microphone. Check 1 2, this is the D30 microphone. We're currently testing this microphone to see what it sounds like. This could be great for podcasting, for live streaming, for creating content, for music production. Overall, I think this is a good microphone. You could also use XLR. I think it's a very affordable solution if you're looking to get into podcasting or live streaming.